that is, sure, put the clips in before my dad welding it. That's the plate in there. So you got the notch. Oh, should be enough room for the waterfront there. I'm just going to have to grind it down, clean it up. Yeah, and then we'll paint it. For now, we're over there making some plates for the corrosion because crossmember is rotten on there. If we go underneath, oh, it's starting to rain, fuck. Got a hole there, and a big old hole there, so not good. Just done a bit of grinding on it, and prime it over it. I think I want to do a bit more, make it a little bit cleaner. All the patches are ready to go for my dad to weld on. So we got one to cover the front, one to cover the bottom, one to cover the bottom and the outside because of the rust. But yeah, I'm happy with the notch though. Should clear the water pump just mint, or water pump pulley. Nice. So then, use some sealer around the welds, not on there because I don't want it to look a bit horrible. Yeah, I've just done it to sort of seal it in, and then when we wax inside the cross member it shouldn't leak out. Should protect them a bit. Yeah, it's all welded. Just been getting shit out of the bay. Trying to decide on what method I'm going to use to paint this, because painting an engine bay is a big task. So if I sprayed it I'd have to do a hell of a lot of masking. I'm going to have to anyway, but I'm sort of, my dad mentioned, could use a brush and a roller. Might work, might not, I don't know. We're going to see. I'm going to do some research tonight and see what I think, but regardless I need to get stuff stripped. Like I've got the washer bottle out. This loom is all detached, ready to sort of, should just pass through there, obviously apart from that bit. So I'm going to take the wings off when I paint it. I'm going to do all the tops, but I should be able to pull the looms out so they're just sort of hanging down there. Same on this side, that one's ready to go through. That's the main engine harness that goes through the bulkhead there. That's been labelled for ages, but sort of down there. So I'm going to pop the grommet out and we'll put all of it in a bag and mask all the loom up. Just taking the fuel filter out to mark up, you know, which one's which kind of thing. Clutch cable bracket. I'm going to paint that separately, I think, that one there. Been leaving the bolts where they came from, but that was the EVAP. That's the fuel filter ones. It's that ground on the engine bay. Pretty sure it's battery tray. I've got to put the battery in the boot, I think. There's so many fucking grommets and everything. But yeah, I'm not going to take the booster off and the lines. I'm going to leave them there. But what I think I'm going to do is try pop the lines forward so I can paint behind them. Only because I just don't want to have to bleed the whole brake system after I do this. I want it to look good, but I'm not going for a show car. You know, this car's never going to be a show car. I just want it to look, pop the engine bay and it looks clean. Not just like a 20-year-old or 22-year-old engine bay. I want it to look nice, just clean. That's why I've done the engine so nice. Yeah, really happy with how the notch came out. Should be strong, should be good. Hopefully it fits, because I've gone off that Nissan K11 GA swap for the sizing, so yeah, hopefully it fits. But yeah, I'm happy with how it's come out. Just the laborious bits of fucking getting the engine bay prepped and then painting it now, and we'll be on the home run. I think I'll leave there at this part. Been enough shit in it, so yeah, catch you in the next part 7, I think. Jeez.